Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I have a product from MAKETECH. This is their compact aluminum 2-outlet travel power strip with 3 USB ports. Now you can pick this up on Amazon at the time of this review for $10.99, and I will have that link in the description below where you guys can check that out. They have several different colors of this. I have the space gray version. If you want to check out MAKETECH, you can check them out at www.make-gadget.com. Comes in a nice plain brown box here, not a lot going on outside of that, but they do have several colors. Again, I have the space gray, they also have a silver, they also have like a rose gold, and they have a gold and white version as well, all priced at $10.99. This is perfect for someone who travels a lot, who needs something to plug in, you know, a tablet and a phone or a laptop, and just needs to make the most out of their AC port. As we take it out of the package here, you just get the adapter itself, which is very nice with a nice aluminum casing and ABS. You get 2 AC ports on either side with that nice aluminum casing there. I think that's a really nice touch, kind of fits in with the Apple line of products. So they did a great job on design here. I'm really happy with the design. You do get 3 USB ports along the front that will support 5 volts, 2.4 amps per USB port, so you can plug in a phone and a tablet. During my testing, I had a phone plugged in, I also had a tablet plugged in, and I had my laptop plugged in as well to one of the AC ports. They give you a nice fold out here with their contact information. Again, you can contact them at support@make-gadget.com. They ask that if you have a positive experience that you leave a review on Amazon, and at the top they do say that there is an 18-month warranty along with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So they do cover this for a 1.5 years, which is excellent. So as we take a further look into this, again, it's nicely constructed, very tough with that aluminum housing, also attractive as well. As far as the cabling goes, it's got a nice thick cable to it, which I found to be nice and durable. It is a 3-foot cable, so it gives you enough length with still being in that compact range to plug it in to pretty much whatever you want to, as far as you know, running it behind a desk or something like that. You know, 3 feet is good enough, but not overly long that you'd be out of the travel adapter type of category there. So let's get it plugged in, and what I'll do is I'll plug in a phone here just to show you how easy and well the USB ports work. Not a difficult task, obviously. This isn't going to be that long of a review, obviously, because it's just a travel adapter, but I did want to show you that it does indeed charge my phone with no problems. And again, you can add other things to the AC ports while you're doing the phone charging as well. So that's all pluses that you'll need as far as again, if you're a traveler and you want to hook up a AC adapter and also USB ports as well. So right now I am cable charging. I'm charging it. I am at 100% on my phone, but I am cable charging through the USB port. Also, again, the ability to be able to add 2 more USB devices plus 2 AC devices all off of 1 AC port makes this a very, very, very good deal for people who travel for business, you know, or even if you're going on vacation or something like that. This would be excellent for this price point. I mean, $10.99 is a great deal that will take 1 AC port and turn it into basically 5 ports for charging devices. Now, if we look on the back, there are some specs on the back here, and you can freeze this if you want to look at all the input specs and output specs. You know, it is a world charger, so it's going to do 100, 240 volts at 50 to 60 hertz, so you can use an adapter if you're overseas, so you'll have that as well. But you can freeze frame this and take a look at that if you want to. Again, no problems with the USB ports, solid construction, very good as far as a travel adapter goes. at the price point of $10.99, I would totally recommend this if you're looking for a travel adapter. So that was my review of the MAKETECH Compact Aluminum 2-outlet travel power strip with 3 USB ports. If you have any comments or questions about this device, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Again, this was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you haven't, please subscribe. It always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.